Introduction to Cybersecurity. We'll see what is the definition of cyber first. Cyber is a prefix used in a large number of terms to describe new things that are being made possibly by use of computers. Anything related to the internet falls under this category. So, anything we execute by digital means that falls under the category called cybersecurity. Let's define cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a wide-ranging term with no standard definition. It combines all aspects of protection of citizens, business, and critical infrastructures from threats that arises from their use of digital systems, devices on the internet. With an increasing amount of people getting connected to internet, the security threats that cause massive harm are also increasing. Nowadays, all our devices are connected to internet. Not only our mobile phones and tablets, but also IoT devices like fans, lights. Security threats also increases against these systems. Securing all the digital world is all about cybersecurity. Security of information systems and networks in the face of attacks, accidents, and failures with the goal of protecting operations and their assets. Let's understand the objectives of cybersecurity. The primary objective of the cybersecurity is to safeguard information from being misused, attacked, or compromised. Information security can be measured by three things called CIA: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Let us understand these three terms in our coming next sessions. Now, let's look into goals of cybersecurity. Here, we'll see four primary goals of cybersecurity. First, to ensure digital security and availability. The primary goal of cybersecurity is to protect the information and systems and make them available 24/7. Second, to protect the working and functionality of the organization. Not only the information and systems, but also we must protect our workforce and the functionality of any organization. Third, to implement the policies for safe operations in the organization. Every organization needs to implement cybersecurity policies for their safe operations. Fourth, to defend assets or technology of an organization. Every company has thousands of digital assets and technology. Cybersecurity needs to defend them from external malicious actors. When we talk about cybersecurity, it's not just about securing a single computer, but it's all about securing information systems around the globe. Cybersecurity deals with major domains and functions like penetration testing, mobile forensics, computer forensics, malware analysis, reverse engineering, etc. These are just few examples which cyber industry deals with. It also contains domains like audit, compliance, data loss prevention, access management, etc. It deals with 360 degrees aspects to secure all our information systems. Taking a variety of contexts into an account, from business to mobile computing, cybersecurity can be divided into few common categories. We will go through each of them. Network security. It's a practice of securing computer network from intruders, whether they can be a targeted attackers or a malware. Second comes application security. It focuses on keeping our software and devices free from threats. A compromised application could provide access to the data it's designed to the project. Operational security. Operational security. It includes the process and decisions for handling protecting of data assets. The permissions users have when accessing all the network and the procedures that determine how and where data will be stored, shared, all fall under this umbrella. Disaster recovery and business continuity. This defines how an organization responds to a cybersecurity incident or any other incident that causes loss of operations or data. Disaster recovery policies dedicate how an organization restores its operation and information to return back to the normal operations. Here you can see some of the incidents and economic loss caused due to cyber crimes. Now let us see the trends in the cybersecurity one by one. First, malware data breaches are the top cyber threat. Second, there is a skill gap in cybersecurity. Third, there are a lot of issues in cloud. 4. There is a lot of automation and integration in cybersecurity with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Awareness is key importance to cybersecurity. 6. Nowadays, mobile devices are at risk. 7. There is an increased impact on state-sponsored cyber attacks. 8. As we are using a lot of IoT devices, there are risks related to them. 9. AI on both sides, the positive and the negative. The 10th, the evergreen phishing threat. Now, we will look into ecostructure of cybersecurity. It consists of three main aspects: people, process, technology. The people refers to the human resources available to the firm at its disposal. The people are the ones who do the task described in the process, sometimes leveraging the technology. A process is the step or actions that combine to produce a particular goal. The technology provides the tools that the people can use to implement the process. It also helps to automate some part of the process. Ideally, the latest and the fastest technology creates the most impact. These three comprises of impacting the ecostructure of cybersecurity.